Hi everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to make half double crochets. We are going to start with our foundation, which is a slip knot. And I'm using a 2.5 mm hook for this project and a 3-ply acrylic yarn. So after your slip knot, we are going to make a total of 10 chains. Now the 10 chains is what I'm using for this tutorial. So when you are familiar with the stitch, you can go on and make as much chain as you want depending on what you are working on. Okay, so here I have my 10 chains. I'm going to add 2 more chains to that. This 2 chain counts as our turning point. It doesn't count as the other chains. Now yarn over, skip the 2 chains that you just made or that you just added. Skip it, go over to the third chain from the hook, insert your hook, yarn over, pull through. Now you have 3 loops on your hook. Yarn over, pull through all 3 loops, and there you have your first half double crochet. Let's go again. Yarn over, insert your hook in the next stitch, yarn over, pull through. You have 3 loops on your hook, yarn over, pull through all 3 loops. Okay, so that is all. That is how to make half double crochets. So you're going to continue repeating this until you get to the end of the row. Just watch the screen and repeat it on your own. Remember, don't beat yourself up because our speeds are different. Okay, just keep repeating and practicing until you get the result that you want. So I made a particular playlist for people that are new to crochet. I named it Crochet for Beginners. There I have how to make tutorial on how to make slip knots, magic circle, single crochet, half double crochet and triple crochet. So I'll link it to these videos so that you can watch and catch up with us wherever you are at the moment. Okay, so I'm at the end of the row and this is what my work looks like. I have a total of 10 half double crochets and this is what the back looks like. Half double crochet is one of the most beautiful stitches we have in crochet. For the second row, chain 2 and turn. Okay, now you yarn over, insert your hook in the stitch that you see right here, yarn over, pull through, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. It's just like the previous row that we just made. Okay, so this second row is just a bonus. Okay, so I'm going to keep repeating until I get to the end of the row, and you can repeat as many rows as you want, and you know, and just that, keep practicing until you are perfect with your work. So we've come to the end of today's tutorial. Thank you very much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. Feel free to join the family by subscribing to this YouTube channel, and don't forget to turn on your notification bell so that you get notified each time I upload a video. For people that are new to my channel, take a little time to check out the amazing tutorials I have on my channel. And trust me, you are not going to be wasting your time because I have lovely tutorials that you would love to see on my channel. Thank you. See you in my next video.